Your freaking boy.
Your boy. Let's go.
She commences. Oh. Oh. Little Baja Strike mission promo sesh. Whoops. Whoops. Whoopsies. Do the honors.
Here we are.
Do the honors.
I don't know what the honors are, but probably that.
Yep.
A little bit of...
Yeah, she's... There's a couple she's finicky.
Woo! Smells like Grandpa Charlie's house.
Yo, straight
It's
up.
the scent, dude. Yes. Wait, these are not empties?
Oh, these are freshies.
It's like the reverse of a frat house. Doomsday preppers.
Yeah.
Is this like a living room? What is this?
I don't know. We need some bulbs.
All right, boys and girls, we made it to Mexico, and the main reason that I was coming to Baja was because there's been a bunch of great little waves that I haven't been able to surf along our travels, and before we get into this RV and actually take off on this snowboard trip, I need 7 feet of foam. But my gravy, 7 foot, has been chilling in Baja. So we figured turn the trip of me coming down here to get this board into not only D-Dub's first time coming to visit the New Caribbean, Mexico, but we also dropped, if you guys don't know, we have Avo Apparel is a clothing line that my brother started and that I teamed up with him on, and we just dropped a bunch of new stuff and we got it in. So we're down here shooting some promos. We're about to share this stuff with you guys.
Let's go. It was funny because I was like, yo, while you're in town, we need to fake some lifestyle shots. You waxing a board, you loading your car up, and you're like, yo, why don't you just come to Mexico where I'm just going to be really doing that, and then you could just blast. And here we are. But we're stoked on the new line. We got the new That Good Fat tee. First time we've ever done a white tee.
Very tropical.
The palm trees, couldn't be more SoCal, couldn't fit the vibe harder for the boys right now.
Literally.
We got first time ever having a long sleeve, just the straight up Avo apparel. This is my favorite thing we've ever done, easy.
It's not too late. Winter's not over for the long sleeve
No,
yet.
it's not, dude. Spring is everywhere.
The final thing.
And we're rocking.
You guys have been seeing me rep this.
Yeah, the freshie. I know it's extra. I mean, how many times do we go in places and they gotta let the boys know that guac's extra? We know it's extra. Lace it up. Back. Boom. And don't forget the subtle Avo.
There it is. And those are printed on the same hats as my CV hats. So if you guys know the quality, we don't skimp on Avo apparel. We try to make sure that everything comes out super top shelf, and that's why sometimes it might only come out once a year.
Yep.
So we got a limited supply. If you guys are trying to support your boys right here, journey to having a dope little avocado apparel company, I'll drop the link in the bio and I'll leave the link right here. Support the dream. We're down here getting some banger shots right now. The waves are looking like maybe 8 foot crazy, bombing out the back. So we're gonna go down to Scotty B's. We're gonna stack some more content here, and before we bring the 7 foot back to the States and head back up to the mountains, we're gonna enjoy this 24-hour session here in Baja.
I mean, you might be going back. I'm not going back.
Alright, we got a little MSBD mid-surf breakdown. First of all, you love to be able to get out of the water, run up to your cribby, and grab a cold Croy out of the fridge. So many things to be grateful for. First one is D-Dub for getting the shots today. You love to have my brother back incorporated into the vlog anytime that D-Dub steps in. Not only does the quality go all the time, but the vibes are amazing. And the reason we came back up to the cribby is because I was on the MR. It's kind of a fish style, and even though it has quad fins, it's so loose. So the first couple waves that I popped up on, it's just insane. Up until recently, I haven't been able to tell the difference between fins on a board. I'm just worried about popping up and just riding and being in the right spot in the wave. Now that I'm up and I'm actually doing turns, I can tell the difference between fin shapes. So that's super crazy. And then the waves were kind of mushy compared to how much board I had. So we're just going to literally grab the 7 foot, and I'm going to show you the reason that we drove all the way back down to Baja before going on this RV trip, because 7 feet of foam really does just allow you to do surfing. And if you love surfing and you're trying to have fun, sometimes you just got to get on the right board that's going to allow you to have the most wave time and the most stoke. So there we go. We're jumping back into it right now. 7 foot Ben Gravy foamy for the stoke. Gotta get the stoke up.
Can't get enough, 'cause you're having the clouds. Don't know where we're going, 'cause we'll just figure it out. It's all we have to do. The world is burning, but it's better with you. Can't get enough, 'cause you're having the clouds. Don't know where we're going, 'cause we'll just figure it out. It's all we have to do. The world's burning, but it's better with you.
Alrighty, we have got the package officially secured. We got out of the water, took a little nap, probably got like 2 hours of sleep in because I need to go through the regular border this time because I lost my wallet, and it is now 11:30. The car is packed. D-Dub unfortunately just stepped in a pile of dog dung. Little dog doo-doo.
Officially the latest during the day that I've stepped in poop in my life.
It's like 11:30. We're heading to the border. We're out of here. Mexico, it has been real. Thank you.
C-Dub, what's it like to be in the Gen Pop line?
Alright boys, we're back in Southern California. It's going to be short and sweet, but we're stoked. And before we jump into this day here that's about to get really intense, I want to do a giveaway for you guys, and I want to announce it on the vlog. If you guys are following my text message, you would have already gotten it, but basically we're giving away the entire Avo apparel line that we just dropped. So from the dad hats to the beanies to the t-shirts, long sleeves, and hoodies, we're going to pick a couple of you guys and we're going to dial you in with the whole entire line. If you want to have a chance at winning that, all you got to do is, if you're following Avo Apparel on Instagram, just share any of our most recent posts that we made showcasing the new line. Share them on your story and tag Avo Apparel in them, and you're in the running. So we're stoked to be able to give back. I'm so stoked to be partnered with my brother on something that we both love so much and that I feel like so many other people love so much, which is just necking avocados. So throwing them on some high quality merch has been something we've wanted to do for so long, and I'm just so grateful for the support from you guys. Now we're jumping into this day. The 4Runner that I'm driving outside right now needs a diff job and seals, and it's leaking up front, and it needs front end work and rear end work, and the whole situation's crazy. And I only have one mechanic that I'm friends with because mechanic work is so expensive and it's just so difficult. And this homie just hit me up. I've yet to meet him, but he's coming here right now, and he's gonna either break down everything that I need to do, or he's gonna help me out with it, or he's apparently certified. He's a really good mechanic. He has like a mobile shop that he does work on the side of the road. I'm so stoked. This could potentially change the game. Wish you boys luck. Good morning. I got a good feeling about this day right now.
This is one of them. What's going on, man?
It's just everywhere I'm looking, there's oil leaking.
Yeah. I can see if I could tighten that down real quick. You want to pop the hood?
Check engine light, or is it run rough or anything?
No, she goes so smooth.
Yeah, she's seen better days. Tell me you got it already. Yes. Ah, the freshie.
Well, at least you got brand new pads.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Woo. All right, boys, we're semi-dreaming right now. Homie just took care of the 4Runner, then he checked out the big rig that I got here, and he's kind of claiming that the front end isn't as bad as I thought it was. So I got to figure out a way to fuel evap thing going on, and he's going to try to diagnose that. But I'm just so grateful, and I just can't even believe it. I got to give a massive shout out, and this is the type of thing that helps me out, where if you guys are trying to support me and you're trying to support the Stoke and the Dream and everything, not even monetary, no financial thing, just drop homies like this a follow. And if you're in the Southern California area, anywhere I believe from San Diego to Orange County, he will come through and he will dial you in on the side of the road, at least diagnose your stuff, let you know what you got to do. He's got jacks, he's got tools, and he's an actual certified technician. So thank you so much, bro. I'll drop his tag right here. Show some love, drop my name, let him know, and that goes a long way with me. Keep this circle of good stoke and good energy and giving back happening. So we're going to the gas station because I'm running out of gas right now. My God. Oh, been looking for this for literally 2 or 3 months. I'm claiming 686 makes the best face masks in the game. I haven't worn this jacket from Candy Grind since probably November or December, so we're stoked. But we made the heavy decision this morning while scoping the surf. We're going to Bear. We haven't been to Bear yet this entire season. We got no filmer. We got a couple homies that are up here, the boy Banks and whoever he's riding with. So hopefully we can get somebody who's down to help film. I am so stoked right now. It's like 45 degrees, I think, today. Not a cloud in sight. It is Friday. There's a bunch of people, but stokes all the time. So let's go slap this fresh Avo apparel sticker on the board and go ride Bear for the first time this year. Random tip, don't ever put stickers on when your board is wet or cold. here.
Couple
Bern.
laps. Woo!
Let's go.
Arturo, bro, what's good?
We're doing good. It's great out here today. Vibes are amazing.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Do it again. We'll do it again.
How's the Banks cam, dude?
I'm trying.
Pretty heavy.
It's no meat weighing, but it ain't much, but it's honest work. No.
Keep going. Backflip this thing. Switch.
Out of here.
Switch.
Oh my God!
Yeah, Billy. I've never waxed this. Dude, mad good looks, homie.
Yeah, dog.
We appreciate it, bro.
Sure, I'll hit you up.
Yeah. Woo! Mad love on the help filming. Stoke is all time and the lift is empty.
Yeah, I was after a bunch of your stuff. Like hit Tahoe and surfing in the same day and tray flips and snowboard boots. Like,
Try it, bro.
after it.
Hey, we're from the live chat. We met you at Newport.
What's up, boys?
It's a climb.
Dude, Bear Mountain, best day of the year.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, we're trying to film our first vlog.
Oh, let's go.
Same truck, same white camper, and some tall guy with long hair. We're like, it's TCAP.
Yeah, it was probably
We're
Nicolas
like,
Cage.
Yeah.
Boys, let's get some. Dude, the OG Patreon. What's good, bro?
Oh, this is my hero right here, brother.
Yeah, dog.
In Koreatown, LA.
Come on.
Yeah, Los Angeles. Yeah.
That's the zone, huh?
Yes, sir, man. It's an honor, sir. It's just freaking honor,
You're
man.
telling me, bro.
It's an honor.
How we doing, bro?
Chilling, man. How you
Going
doing?
Yeah, bro, we got some swag for you.
Already got some.
Oh, no way.
got some.
Yes, bro.
I was looking for a new board and I've been watching you.
No way, dude. Call it 2, 3,
You with
4.
Daly and TCAP?
TCAP's on the East Coast, as far away from the boys as he
Oh,
can
yeah?
get. And Daly's just securing the dream of his own. Dude, nice to meet you, bro. Dude, this guy's decked out, bro. You got the board archive, the 686. You got the CD on the helmet.
Bro, I got the 686 from a poster I bought from you.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, dude.
What's up, bro?
I'm Roger.
Nice to meet you, man. We stoking or what?
Yeah, we're just carving super hard.
Do a little more swag. Oh, bro, thanks.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you boys have a good day. Good to meet you.
It's high.
We're maxed out.
Maxed out. Insane.
Not letting that happen. You're good.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil originally.
Brazil. I was
Yeah.
close. Wow, brother, I'm so sorry about that.
No,
I
that's
locked
fine,
in
that's fine, that's fine.
and it was flat and I couldn't stop.
Yeah, it's crazy. You can't stop, you know.
Completely different feature. I was trying to hit the pole jam. Go to the left and you were on the right.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
You're okay though?
I'm okay, bro.
Fuck, so much love, bro.
All right.
What can I do to help you?
Alright, that's fine, that's fine.
Nothing.
It's okay. No problem.
How are you? This guy is stoking right now somehow.
Yeah, it's
Dude, we love you.
that's fine.
You dreaming?
I'm okay, bro.
Dude, so much love, man.
Bye, bro.
Have a great day, bro. I've never almost killed someone until right now.
Yo, how'd you get on top of that trailer though? I'm on board sliding on my foot. And then bam!
What's up, boys? How we doing? Boys.
Beautiful.
Dude, mad love, guys.
Can I
I
get
appreciate the stoke. Yeah, hell yeah. Good stuff, you guys. Yeah, take care, man. All right, boys. That was the most insane way to end a day that you could ever imagine. That was the last thing I was ever trying to have happen. You can look at that in a million different perspectives. My vantage point is that I was not trying to get up on that box. My feature was open, the pole jam to the wall ride. I was just trying to get higher up on it. Once I locked in up top, my board just, like being on a regular box, went full flat, straight forwards, and I could not stop. I was all of a sudden in an area I didn't want to be. Homie was in an area that he shouldn't be. Even if you fall, you should never be kind of just dangling around in the landing. You want to get out of the way as soon as possible. And I just made the split decision chance to try to jump over the little girl and land on the dude, and it seems like I don't even know if she knew that happened. She was gone, and homie seemed to be all right. A lot of lessons to be learned. I don't really know exactly how we could have approached this differently, but maybe this will help some of you guys. If you're hitting something in the park and you fall, you want to get up and out of the way as soon as possible, because some savage could be mobbing and working on a feature that he's been trying to hit and needs speed for and doesn't see you and is charging over multiple features and distance, and it just gets tough when you have multiple different levels of riders in the same park trying to do the same thing, which is have fun. But the progression is insane, and sometimes you end up on top of the Red Bull box completely by accident and almost crush a human. But I'm sorry, I'm grateful homie's alive and well, and this day's not over. You don't go to Bear Mountain and leave without hitting.
Bro, we've been waiting for you, dog!
Casey Willax in the house?
Hair's getting long, dude.
Yeah,
tearing it up, baby. Come on, dude. Let's go. You getting those triple backflips down or what, bro?
Yeah, we're close. We're
Couple
close.
of
We're close.
That's off menu player, Mountain Dew, babe. You're good.
Good.
I got you.
My
Come
God.
on, dude. The amount of business that comes through here just from your video is like next level.
Let's go.
Still, today I had one. We're here from like my boy Willax. I'm like, oh, cheers.
Let's go. Drop
They're
the
like,
name
what's
if you're
happening
in
right now?
Cali. Drop the name.
Good to
I'll
see you,
catch you in a
dog.
minute.
You know what?
If you guys ever come and shred Bear, you gotta hit Tropicali up and show them the love. Apparently drop my name and they'll dial you in. Start with that line, you gotta activate your flavors, bro. Dude, the stoke is
all the people coming through, bro, shouting out your vibes, bro. Like, gotta love on that, you know.
Try to tell them, bro. We're like 7 minutes from the mountain. Best
We're
food
right
in
here.
the world.
We're right here. Just trying to serve them up, bro.
Dude,
Daily,
bro,
baby.
just making
Daily.
it
Come to
happen.
Tropicali. Come get fed. We got you, bro. Ohana style only.
You almost gotta come just for the vibes.
You could do that too.
Dude, look at him.
Sharp, baby.